Hello everyone, my name is Jan-Willem Goedvolk. I'm a game student here at SAE Dubai and I've been here for 3 trimesters. Here are a few crucial points that I've learned from my time here. My first step for you will be plan your projects in advance. Organize your files and know what features you will have. That way you can plan what you're going to do at each week. Otherwise you're going to be very overwhelmed by the end of it. As a game student, it is very important to be inspired by other games. Don't be afraid to use a game that already exists and simply redoing it or changing it slightly. My next point is don't underestimate your deadlines. One task that you might think is very easy might turn out very difficult. Or you might think about a difficult task a little bit more and find out that it is actually very easy. If a task seems too difficult, sometimes it might be a good idea to simply take a break. Go grab some food or read a book. It is always important to be well rested and ready for your next task. My next tip for you is to go try to do a game jam. I know it might seem daunting, but give it a try. It is an excellent opportunity to network with people in the actual industry. It is also one of the most fun ways, in my experience, to make a game. Be open to criticism. They might not like it, and you might not like it, but it is going to help you in the long run. Game students can be very shy when it comes to making friends. So be the first to go break that barrier and go show them maybe what games you've made, what games you play, or what work you've done. You might end up inspiring them, and they might just inspire you. If whatever I have just said has inspired you to try games development, join SAE and let us help you make your dreams a reality. Sign up now.